Alright, so I have this gun lock I'm going to pick today. Sorry about all the extra noise right now. I'm set up right beside my washer and dryer. But, we're going to go ahead and see if we can get this picked. I'm going with top of the keyway tension and just a short hook from Sparrow's lockpicks. Which, if you're curious, that's mostly what I use as Sparrow lockpicks picks. There it is. If you're interested in this box, the link for it will be down in the description. It's an artist box. I'll go ahead and give you a sneak peek.